In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to link Amazon to your Snapchat account. Linking your Amazon account to Snapchat can enhance your social media and shopping experience by allowing for personalized ads and product recommendations based on your shopping behavior. To do this, simply head to your Snapchat. Tap right here on your profile icon and head to your settings. On your settings page, scroll down into the section of additional services. Select on third-party accounts. On Amazon, tap on the highlighted link button in blue. You will directly head to the Amazon login website. Enter your email. And if you don't have no Amazon account, you can sign up as well. Proceed by entering your password. Your Amazon account will successfully get linked to your Snapchat profile. Sharing Amazon products with friends becomes more convenient, allowing for a more integrated social commerce experience on the platform. That's how easy it is to link Amazon to Snapchat. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.